Hi, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. So my name is Wendy Lee, and I'm from Vancouver. I joined Atomy in 2018. So at that time, I was looking for a new skincare line that is plant-based, natural, and that is safe to use. Because I'm worried about all those chemicals, in all the products that on the shelf nowadays. So, luckily for me, my sponsor, at that time, she came at the right time, introduced me to the Atomy and showed me the website and explained to me, the skincare that Atomy has this like advanced technologies, and all these natural ingredients. So when I look at the price, I was like shocked because I've been used to using skincare, the premium expensive lines. And I was getting a little bit upset at that time because after using those expensive brands for like more than 20 years, I started noticing wrinkles, around my eyes by the time I reached mid-40s. So I go, no, maybe it's time to switch, maybe try something else. And luckily for me, that time, Atomy was introduced to me. So I did not hesitate because the price is so low. What do I have to lose? If I don't like it, I'll just put it on my body, right? So I ordered the Fame set, which at that time, it was called a skincare set. So within 2 weeks of using it, I've already I went to my gym, and all my friends who went to the gym with me, every day they see me, and they notice that my face has look very different, very radiant, very youthful. So yeah, so I was like, oh my gosh, this skincare really works. So I decided maybe I should try something else too from the Atomy website. So I tried the shampoos, and I really hated my hair. I was born with this like coarse, frizzy hair. So I cannot, just use any cheaper brand, drugstore products because, those cheap brands would make my hair even more frizzy and dry. So I, have to always buy from professional salon, expensive brands, right? So now, again, I was really happy with how my hair turned out by using the Atomy shampoo and conditioner set. My hair was soft and moisture, no frizziness. And on top of that, when I look at my bathtub and my bathroom floor, I don't see as much hair falling down. So I was really happy. Okay. My mom's side has kind of like, a genetic that has, thinning hair and even balding for women. So, so that took care of my problem, the shampoo set. So I was really happy. Now the third item that I tried was the Hemohim. Okay. The Hemohim, for me, it intrigued me is because, for me, I had always been anemic. So since young, I was always low on energy. Okay. I had cold hands, cold feet. Like when I put my hands touch you, you'll be like, oh my gosh, did you go to the freezer? Right. So that was how bad my blood circulation was. So, and, the doctor has prescribed me iron pills, and I really hated the iron pills because it caused me constipation for days. So I stopped taking iron pills. So I rather live with low energy. So, but the Hemohim, after I did my research, right, and I found out the functions and the technologies and the history and the background behind it, I was just so amazed. So I tried it, and my blood circulation, has improved. My hands no longer, got cold, and I really have my energy, right, and my stamina has improved so much that I became even more athletic than when I was 30 years younger. So I was really happy with that. And I'm also very skeptical when it comes to health supplements, because a lot of health supplements, believe it or not, is not regulated like the drug and medicine industry is. So, a lot of health supplements do not go through the same regulation by the government. No one's go in and check into the manufacturing company to see if there are any strict manufacturing processes have been followed, or even if the ingredients that they are used in making it is real or not, or is it high quality or harmful or not. So I'm very skeptical about health supplements. But knowing that Atomy has the best manufacturing practices and processes, I'm very confident and trustful, of the Atomy brand. So by changing all my brands to Atomy now, my whole family has gotten more healthier, younger, and we also save a lot of money. Okay, so, and because I'm so happy with the Atomy brand, of course, I naturally share with some of my friends and family, right? So, and that has produced a side effect. It's a good side effect, not a bad side effect, okay? That side effect is that I get an income, okay? So I get a second income from Atomy, okay? So some of you may think that, oh, I have already a full-time job. I'm too busy or whatever to share Atomy and get a second income. Do you know that the wealthy people, their secret of being wealthy is that you do not rely on one income, because one income, you will never be financially safe. Okay. So you need to have at least two incomes. So Atomy has given me that opportunity. Okay. This free opportunity to now have a second income. All right. So I feel financially safer now, because this second income can eventually turn into a passive income for the rest of my life. Why is that so important to me? Why? Because I work in a seniors retirement home. Every day we get calls from children of their parents. They're asking for a room for their parents to come and live in my retirement home. Okay. To just get a room in my retirement home, and with 3 meals provided a day, the minimum start is $5,000. Okay. And it can get up to $10,000. $10,000 if you need extra help. If you don't remember, when you're older, 80 years old, you don't remember when to take your medication or make your bed or whatever. Those you have to pay extra, and it could cost you another $5,000. So do I have that money in the future in 30 years time to be able to fund that if I want to not burden my children? I don't think I will have the money if I don't have a passive income that will be able to fund my gap in this retirement, especially now that we know how inflation is taking place and all the prices has gone up so much, everything, right? So I'm so happy that I have found, or Atomy have found me, and now that I will get a better health, and I don't have to worry about my wealth in the future. And I can also contribute. If whatever extra that I will get in the future, I can help and, to give it to those in need. So that is my dream. That has always been my dream, to be able to contribute to society. So thank you for listening.